Hey everybody! So it occurred to me that maybe some of you guys who are newer to beadwork might have some trouble stringing your fire line onto your needle. Because let's be honest, these needles are teeny, tiny, itty bitty. Look at this thing. Look at these things. Look at that. Like where's even the hole in that, huh? Where's the hole? Can you even see it? So I thought I would just share some tips really quick on how to thread your needles. So these are size 12 needles. This is size 8-pound fire line. So what I do to thread needles is I will just grab the end of that fire line and I'll pull it between my fingernail. That kind of flattens it out a little bit. If it's a little bit frayed at the end, you can take a pair of scissors and like clip it off. If when you try and cut it and it doesn't want to cut, like it just frays, what I will do is kind of wrap it around the jaws of the scissors like this, pull down tightly, and cut. And then that way you'll get a nice clean cut. And then I'll just do the same thing where I run it through my fingernails, flatten the end out. And then instead of trying to just like push it through the needle like this, because that's really hard to do, what I do is I will pinch it between my fingers. Get that in focus. So that just a little tiny bit of it is sticking out from my fingers. And then I'll take my needle and I'll push my needle, that eye, onto the thread. And I push the needle into my fingers. See? And it threads it. It's much easier than trying to push the thread through the needle because the thread has more give to it. Now, I was able to do it, but I find it much easier if you pinch it between your fingers with just the end sticking out, put that eye of that needle and push it in. All right. Those are my tips for stringing a needle onto some fire line. I hope that helps you a little bit. I know it's really tricky to see those tiny little holes. All right, that's it. Bye.